when you lose service and you don't have any idea which way to go, and God gives you a Verizon store. Yay, thank you. They got my maps back up and running, so I'm back on the road. Good morning. I'm about to climb up to Mount Yonah. I slept in the rental car last night. And here we go. Not too many people yet, but I hear this one can get pretty crowded. There were some people who got here and started in the dark early this morning. But I'm in no rush, and I enjoyed the sleep. I think this is the rockiest trail I've been on since the Pinnacle. It's obviously not going to be much of a view up there, but I'll still be able to cross this one off my list. Hopefully tomorrow clears up. It's raining now. Looks like plenty of areas to camp up here at the top. I saw a dad and 3 kids climbing down with all their gear, and then I just passed another tent over here. I even saw a bear box, which is always handy. Well, here's one of the overlooks on the top of Yonah Mountain. So pretty. Wow. I just watched a video of Syntax 77, and he said you win some and you lose some. So this one had me thinking of that. But for me, as long as I complete what I set out to do and I make it home safely, that's always a winner for me. bet this is really pretty without the fog.
Yeah, I think that's one of the few I can think of. The Edmonds Trail doesn't have primitive camping?
There were some sites.
There's a Walmart right there in Clayton. If anything else, you know, you need to stay in your van.
Well, I got to talking with that lady and we walked all the way down together, and so I didn't make any more video, but now we're back at the parking lot. Cooking up a little warmth before I head to wherever it is I'm heading. So I'm trying to go to Black Rock Mountain State Park tomorrow, but I want it to be on a good day, and tomorrow's supposed to be more clear than today, so I think I'm gonna save that for tomorrow. So I'm not sure what I'm doing next today, but I'll find something. Warwoman Dell. This is in Clayton, Georgia. It's part of the Bartram Trail from what I understand, and it's about I think it's a 7.5 mile section out and back. Ooh, look at this. These colors are so pretty. My grandma would have loved this. beautiful. Well, hey, it's a better view than we had this morning. Real pretty. Pinnacle knob. Ooh, it's windy. Look at those clouds. Very pretty. The clouds almost give it character in this situation. Isn't this fun? Oh, that's so cool. I love the clouds. So awesome. Thank you to the lady on Mount Yonah who recommended this hike to me. It was definitely worth it. Pretty waterfalls along the way, and a beautiful view at the top. Mount Yonah this morning was 4.2 miles, and this one is 7.8. So that's a little over 12 for today. Oh, it's so pretty. So y'all don't miss this sign. I almost missed it earlier. Pinnacle knob that way. And I guess that's where the Bartram trail continues on. So it's a little bit of a side trail from the Bartram trail. Making my way down.